So good morning again, and let's start. Yes, ready everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whatever yesterday I have given problems, still so many are committing mistake. So let's see today one loop as well as two loop problems how to solve by using Kirchhoff's laws, right? That is second law particularly. So those who have joined today, listen one more time. Loop law or voltage law. Loop law or voltage law. In this first, what we have to do, there are only two things, that is summation of P is equal to 0, and that is nothing but summation of E plus summation of IR is equal to 0, which is already we have learned in the previous class. But so many are confusing where means sign convention. Okay, so listen here. Again, I am writing sign conventions, and one more example I am taking for your clarity. So sign convention, first one, only E, first EMF source, whatever this EMF source is there, or you can say batteries, negative to positive, you just take it as a positive E. Okay, negative to positive, positive E. If you are take or going from positive to negative, you keep it as a negative E, but you have to keep negative E. And IR sign, IR, so in the direction of current, in the direction of current, in the direction of current, it is minus IR, and opposite to the direction of current, opposite to the direction of current, it is equal to plus IR. Okay,
Okay.
this is IR and this is for EMF, that is battery. So this is a hot sign convention. So let's see one example. So now this time I am taking example of two loops. So that you will understand better. Right. So let's take this as a 2 ohm. This is 2 ohm, 3 ohm. This is positive terminal, negative terminal, 6 volt. And this is 1 ohm. This is 2 ohm. And let's take this as a 3 volt. This is positive to negative. Assuming current is coming like this, so it will go here as well as here also. So this is total current. Let us suppose this is I, then this one is I1, है ना, this is I1 only, सही है ना, I1 क्लियर है. फिर से यहाँ पे फिर से क्या आएगा, I1 only, and this loop is having current I2 because it is getting divided here, so this is I2 only through this also. Listen carefully. Now this is A, then this is B, then C, D, E and F. Like this loop is there. Now concentrate, concentrate, and only concentrate. Okay, so see here. Now first I am taking loop A B. Mute everyone so that it will not disturb. Mute everyone. So for loop A B E F A. Listen now. Which loop? A B E F A. Means now where is Chima? Where is Chima? Chima is at point A. Try to understand. Okay.
At A.
हाँ at point A है ना, ये देखो यहाँ पे है चीमा इस पॉइंट से. अब ये ऐसे जा रहा है like this. We are selecting loop. Loop is nothing but how chima goes. Loop is nothing but what? How chima is going. Understand? This is what chima path. Understand? A to B, B to C, E to F, and F to A it is going. First now when it is starting from point A, now you see it is going here and current is coming like this. Opposite. Opposite means what? You can see here opposite means plus. So this is plus. Current flowing is I1. Resistance is how much? 2. Okay. Now Chima pass this resistance. Then here again another resistance is there. Again opposite to the direction of current. That's why plus. Current is what through this branch? I1. Resistance value is what?
Plus I1 into 2.
Next now Chima came at this point B. B to E it is going. It is going, and while going there is only battery. What is there? Battery. So for battery, if it is going from positive to negative, we have to replace it with negative E. Therefore minus, and battery potential is what? 6. Don't substitute V here. No need. 6 V means hold. No need. Don't substitute that V. Next Chima came at point A. Chima ikkadiki vachindi, point E ki vachindi. Next now E to F. E to F. Again opposite direction current it is going. That's why plus I1 into 3. Then it is at F, and F to A there is nothing. That's why don't forget to equate it equal to 0. Any doubt? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In the direction of
Yes, sir.
current, IR is minus. Opposite to the direction of current, IR is plus. If you are going from positive to negative, then negative for battery. If you are going from negative to positive, then positive for battery. Okay. Now see, this is Rendu I1 plus Rendu I1 minus 6 plus 3I1, which is equal to 0. Rendu plus 4 3 ఇది ఏనా 3 plus 2 plus 2 how much?
7.
7I1 is equal to 6.
7I1 is equal to 6, and therefore I1 is equal to how much? Bolo 6 by 7
6
ampere.
by 7 amperes.
Any doubt here? Please ask if you have any doubt now only. Any doubt?
sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Clear hai?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now let's take this another loop. See here, loop B C D E B. Means now Chima is at point B, started journey from point B, going like this, like this, like this, and then like this. है कि नहीं? And coming back to own home, है ना? This is what loop direction. सही है ना?
Yes, sir.
चलो.
Sure.
At this
Yes, sir.
point B now. At this point B, what happens? At this point B, what happens? At this point B, B to C, it is going. First, you are getting one resistance, and current is I2 in the direction. In the direction of current, minus I2 into resistance value is 1. Okay, finished. Next here, after passing resistance, there is battery. You are going from plus to minus. -3. Then again, this is what? In the direction. In the direction means again minus I2 into 2. Now nothing is there. Again minus to plus you are going. At point E you came, hai na? After passing D there is nothing. So E to B. In the direction of current, no need because here only battery. So minus to plus, what you are taking? Plus 6 is equal
Plus.
to 0. तो अब देखो क्या होगा ये? Minus I2 -3 -2I2 plus 6 is equal to 0. सही है ना? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me the equation. What is that? Minus I2, -3
-3
-2I2 plus 6
plus 6
is equal to 0. Yes or no? Check it. Okay. Right. Now, क्या करेंगे? देखो यहाँ पे अब ये जो -I2 और ये -2I2 है कितना होगा? -3I2 -3 plus 6 is equal to 0. हाँ बोलो आप कितना है? -3I2 plus 3 is equal to 0. -3I2 is equal to -3
Minus,
है ना?
minus
sir. Minus
उसके
can.
बाद ये माइनस कैंसल. I2 is equal to 3/3, which is equal to how much?
1 ampere.
1 ampere. So I1 you got 6/7 ampere. I2 you got 1 ampere. Clear है? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, note down. Any doubt you can ask, you can chat. Okay. Yes, Vinayak, you can take A, B, C, D, E, F, A also, but you will get again I2 and I1, which is of no use because again you will get two unknowns, one equation. So you will get anyhow one value only now. Means separate loop if you will take, we will get I1 and I2 value. It is very easy for simplification. Like that also you can take, not an issue.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You take any closed loop, this law is valid. This law is purely only for closed loops only. whatever loop you are taking. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Any other doubt? Please, you can mention in the chat if you are what you can say. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? मोहमाया, मोहमाया क्या है वो? If you are feeling shy or something like that, uncomfortable while asking doubt, you can send message. Yes, finished.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
This is second page. Okay, finished everyone. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more problem I will solve. Next, you have to solve. Okay. Try to understand those who have joined late. One more example of two loop I am going to solve now. Listen carefully. Okay. One more I will solve. Next, you have to do. Example. Okay. Right. This is what given question. And now listen carefully. Listen. A, B, C, D. ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव है ना? ये तो आपको पता चलता है ना? ये बड़ा है छोटा है. E for elephant, F for fox. Okay. सही है? ओके. एंड यहाँ पे मैं फिर से क्या करूंगा? ये जो दोमा है, दोमा तो नहीं है, चीमा है ना? चीमा. यस. हाँ, ये दोमा बोले तो उसको ये रहता है ना? दोमा मीन्स मस्कीटो है ना? मस्कीटो हैज वेरी लॉन्ग क्या है ये? नोज. ओके. Whatever. So let's start. And now I am taking loop. Which loop I am taking? A, B, E, F, A. कौन सा वाला लूप? ये वाला. ऐसे ऐसे जा रहा है ये चीमा, ऐसे जा रहा है. ये इसका पाथ है. रास्ते में इसको कौन कौन मिलता है देखेंगे. ठीक है, चलो. अब देखो लूप A, B, E, F, A. ए से बी जाते समय इसको एक रेजिस्टेंस मिल रहा है 3 ओम. 3 ओम रेजिस्टेंस इज देयर एंड करंट इज I2. opposite to the direction of current. Opposite means plus I2 into how much? Or 3 into I2 into 3. Resistance is what? 3. Okay, at point B it came. At point B to E, when it is going from plus to minus. That's why minus for battery, and that's why minus 12. E to F, when it is going again plus to minus, it is going. That's why minus 6. Don't bother about current direction when it is battery. Just see which terminal to which terminal you are going, and don't write phi also. Okay. Next, now you are at F point. F to A you are going, again opposite to the direction of current. Opposite to the direction of current plus. This is I2 and this is 2, which is equal to 0. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So this is 3I2 minus how much this is?
18.
18.
Sir.
18 plus this is 2I2, which is equal to 0. Bolo.
5I2 equal to 18.
I2 is equals to 18.
5I2 is equal to 18, and therefore I2 is equal to how much?
18 by 5.
18 by
18 by 5.
18 by 5 ampere. ओके, नेक्स्ट लूप. चलो आप दूसरे लूप के पास जाएंगे. लूप कौन सा लेंगे? बी
BC.
डी ई बी.
B.
तो ये ऐसे जाएगा, ऐसे जाएगा, ऐसे आएगा, है ना? चलो आप देखेंगे क्या होता है. इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट.
In the direction.
In the direction, sir.
माइनस आ प्लस आ?
Minus.
Minus.
माइनस I1 into 1 plus to minus from C
Minus.
to R,
Minus, sir.
minus 3. Now D to E in the direction of current, opposite direction of current.
Direction minus.
Minus
In-
I1 into 2. Again now E to B, minus to plus, minus A plus A,
Plus.
Plus, sir.
plus 12, which is equal to 0. Okay. थोड़ा सा मैं फिर से लिख रहा हूं, because I am not having space this side.
Sir, I1 equal to 3 amperes.
Just wait. I will write little this side. Okay. So see one more time. Tell me. In the direction of current, minus I1 into 1. Next, plus to minus is minus 3. In the direction of current, again minus. So I1 into 2. And minus to plus is plus. So this is plus 12, which is equal to 0. So minus I1, minus 3, minus 2I1 plus 12 is equal to 0. So minus 2 and this is minus I1, 3I1. Minus 3, 12. कितना होगा?
9.
Plus 9.
9 is equal to 0. So ये minus 3I1 is equal to minus 9. Minus minus cancel. I1 is equal to 9 by 3. Therefore, I1
3
is equal
amperes.
to 3 amperes.
3 amperes.
Yes, yes, right. Shravani, Venkata Shankar, yes. Yes. Charanjit, Harshavardhan, yes. Right. Sharayu, Surya, Samhita, yes. Nisha, right. Okay. So this is what our answer for this problem. Clear है? सबको समझ में आया? अब कोई गड़बड़ नहीं करेगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No one will commit mistake now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone will solve slowly, है ना? No mistake. Only slowly you go. Slowly if you will go, what will happen? You will not commit mistake, right? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
అయిపోయిందా?
Yes,
ఇది
sir.
అయిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next page. Shall I go to next page?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to solve. Okay. अच्छे से देखो, अच्छे से समझो और अच्छे से लिखो, है ना? अच्छे से पढ़ो। चलो देखेंगे क्या होता है। अब ये देखो करंट डायरेक्शन कैसे अज्यूम करना है। यहां से जो मेन करंट जाएगा वो ऐसे, ठीक है। अब इस पॉइंट पे आपको दो करंट मिलेंगे, एक ऐसे और एक इस तरफ, सही है ना? तो ये जो करंट है ये है समझो I1 और ये जो करंट है ये I2 है। ये I2 ऐसे ही घूमेगा, समझ में आया? ये I2 है पूरा के पूरा, इसके थ्रू भी I2 ही है, समझ में आया? ओके। और ये जो है
Yes.
ये करंट है I, यहाँ पे क्या है I, ठीक है। तो आपको आप कैसे सॉल्व करते हो देखेंगे। चलो स्टार्ट करो। कैन यू सॉल्व दिस नाउ? Do it. Okay. Just make the loop equations, you will get it. And you can substitute this. I is equal to nothing but I1 plus I2. Do it. Are you doing or shall I solve?
Doing, sir.
ये माइनस है ना रे, ये माइनस से प्लस। अगर आप यहाँ पे लेते हो तो प्लस टू माइनस, इफ यू आर गोइंग माइनस ना, choice is yours. Obviously this big one is plus, this small one is minus. Okay, करो।
Sir, 3 ampere and 2 ampere, sir. Answer.
कौन सा I1 and I2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ये कौन है? Who is this?
Rakesh, sir.
Okay, Rakesh. You got I1 is equal to
2, sir. 2 ampere.
और I2 is equal to
3 ampere, sir.
ओके, ये राकेश का आंसर है। चलो आप देखेंगे, एक बार मैं सॉल्व करता हूँ, चेक करेंगे। बाद में होमवर्क के प्रॉब्लम में आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो। चलो फास्ट करेंगे। हाँ, सी नाउ A B C D E and F. I am just giving name for my convenience. तो चलो लूप ABEF A, यहां से ऐसे जाएंगे है ना, ऐसे राइट। A to B I am going, so first is this 1 ohm, opposite direction of current, that's why plus I2 into 1. Now battery is coming, plus to minus I am going, that's why minus 2. In the direction minus I1 into 1. Again opposite direction of current, that's why plus I2 into 2. There is nothing, that's why equal to 0. Understand? So I am getting
Yes,
this.
Yes, sir.
I2 minus 2 minus I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 0. Rakesh, is it right?
Yes, sir.
Chetan got I2 is equal to 1, I1 is equal to 3. Okay, we will check. हाँ, तो अब देखो कितना होगा ये, बोलो बोलो। 2I2 plus this I2, 3I2 ना, है ना?
Yes, sir.
3I2 minus I1 is equal to 2. Call this equation number 1. सही है ना?
yes, sir.
ओके, अब जो दूसरा
Yes.
लूप है यहाँ पे जो दूसरा लूप है, मैं ये लूप ले लूंगा, लूप BCDEB। यहां से अब अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट मीन्स प्लस, है ना? प्लस कितना होगा, I into 3 plus to minus minus 12. Okay, D. Then again D to E nothing. Again in the direction opposite. Opposite means plus I1 into 1, which is equal to 0. So this is 3I minus 12 plus I1 is equal to 0. But we know at this point you see I is equal to I1 plus I2 na. I is equal to I1 plus I2. At junction B. At junction B आप देखो इनकमिंग करंट इज इक्वल टू आउटगोइंग करंट ना, सही है ना? हमने
Yes,
ये भी
sir.
पढ़ा है।
Sir.
एट जंक्शन बी आप देखो क्या करेंगे, एट जंक्शन बी इनकमिंग सम ऑफ इनकमिंग करंट इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ आउटगोइंग करंट, है ना? तो इसलिए सम इनकमिंग करंट क्या क्या है, बी के जगह पे आई, विच इज इक्वल टू I1 प्लस I2। अब यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, therefore 3 into I1 plus I2 minus 12 plus I1 is equal to 0। सही है ना? Yes,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I1
Yes, sir.
plus 3I2 minus 12 plus I1 is equal to 0। कितना होगा, बोलो बोलो। 4I1 plus 3I2 is
4I1
equal to
plus
कितना,
3I2 is equal to 12.
12.
12.
इक्वेशन नंबर 2। अब ये दो इक्वेशन आप सॉल्व करो, ये जो दो इक्वेशन है ये आप सॉल्व करो, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, मल्टीप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 1 by 4 and इक्वेशन 2 by 3। तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो 4 से, क्या आएगा, 4 into 3I2 minus I1 is equal to 2। समझ में आ रहा है?
yes, sir.
Can you solve these two equations now? Can you solve these two equations yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you solve, because less time is there? Just solve these two equations and check your answers. But I1 you can't find because you are not getting equation. You are getting two unknowns here, I1 and I2. Okay. Yes, can you do it? Can you do it now? Just solve these two equations. This is just like 4x plus y now. 4x plus 3y is equal to something. 3x plus something is equal to something, है ना? वैसे करो। इसमें 3i2, अरे 1 मिनट रुको, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत है क्या? यहाँ पे देखो, ये
नो
इक्वेशन
सर कैंसिल।
सीधा कैंसिल हो जाता है, मल्टीप्लाई करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। ये i2 है ना, सीधा सीधा ऐड करो, नहीं तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, जस्ट यू विल गेट द आंसर। सब्ट्रैक्ट, ये तो i2 है ना, तो सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2, ये देखो 4i1 प्लस 3i2 इज इक्वल टू 12, और यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे लिखता हूँ -i1 प्लस 3i2 इज इक्वल टू 2। सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, ये माइनस का हो जाएगा प्लस, ये प्लस का हो जाएगा माइनस, और ये माइनस, तो ये कैंसल, ये कितना होगा 5i1
माइनस
इज इक्वल टू 10, तो i1 इज इक्वल टू आ जाएगा 10/5 विच इज इक्वल टू 2 एम्पियर। सही है ना? तो ये राकेश का आंसर राइट है, सही है ना? चेक करो, i1
i2
इज इक्वल
equal
टू
to
2 एम्पियर
4/3.
सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, तो ये हो जाएगा
4/3.
i2 इज इक्वल टू
4/3
4/3, i2 इज इक्वल टू 4/3 आ रहा है ना?
यस सर।
हाँ, चेक
Yes,
करो,
sir.
अभी टाइम नहीं है, ठीक है? मैं आपको एक सेंड करता हूँ क्वेश्चन व्हाट्सएप पे, वो सॉल्व करो। ये आप चेक करो एक बार, ये आप चेक करो, वन मोर टाइम यू चेक इट, दिस डू इट योरसेल्फ, ओके?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
वन मोर टाइम,
Thank you, sir.
यही प्रॉब्लम करो, अच्छे से करो, कोई बात नहीं, अगर होमवर्क नहीं हुआ तो भी कोई बात नहीं, कल दे दूंगा, लेकिन ये अच्छे से करो, ये अच्छे से सॉल्व करके भेजो मुझे, सेंड
Okay, sir.
क्वेश्चन ओनली, ओके?
ओके सर।
Okay, sir.
ओके, चेक
Okay,
करो
sir.
एंड चेक करो, कुछ है तो बोलो, ठीक है? एक बार सॉल्व करो, ओके।